Hello. Today I will tell you how to log into your AT&T account. AT&T is one of the largest mobile communication and internet service providers in America, serving millions of users. You can easily perform many transactions such as bill payment, viewing plan details, and device management via AT&T's online platform. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. To log into your AT&T account, you need to first go to att.com. When you click on the sign in button in the upper right corner of the page, it will direct you to the user login page. All you need to do on this page is enter your user ID and password information. If your information is correct, you can access your account directly and perform all your transactions securely. AT&T users usually check their mobile line information, track data usage, or payment transactions from this area. If you do not have an account yet, you can create a new account with the Create One Now option. Here, you may ask for your phone number or account number. You can also complete the registration process in a few steps by specifying an email address and creating a password. This way, you can benefit from online transactions instantly. The at&t application is also quite functional for mobile users. You can log into the application with the same user information by downloading from the App Store or Google Play. You can open notifications from the application and receive bill reminders and follow campaigns and package opportunities. There is also an option to log in securely and quickly with facial recognition or fingerprint. If you have problems while logging in, try clearing your browser's cookies and logging in again using a different browser. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you can get a quick password link by using the Forgot Password option. AT&T also works very fast in terms of customer support. You can get the help you need from the live support line. By logging into your account, you can control all your services from a single panel and save time, especially if you use more than one of the internet, cable TV, or mobile phone services. It will be very convenient for you to manage them all from a single place.